DEVCON team visited the Barong Tagalog and Balisong capital of the Philippines, as 200-plus students from the Rizal College of Tal's Computer Science program graced the first-ever DEVCON event in Tal, attended last May 17, 2023. The Campus DEVCON event showcased the best industry insights to the campus with keynote topics on AI Revolution 2023, emerging trends, and innovations by Rochelle Perez and Startup on Corporate. A Student's Guide to Technopreneurship by Dom D. Leon. MSIB and Technology as a Threat to Privacy by Dr. Jalbert. This event was made possible through the support of Zoho Creator and the DEVCON Manila Chapter. We thank Dean Robert and Rizal College of Tal for the warm welcome. Volunteers can message us to help us organize more events in Tal, Batangas, and Calabarzon. Follow DEVCON PH for more events updates.